Welcome to what I do call a weekend tidbit. Now, today's video is not going to line up with the video you're going to see Monday, and it's just not going to line up. I am using this as a weekend tidbit because it has something to do with the video you've seen on Friday, the haunted graveyard. Real quick, there is something I did not put in that video. It was a whole side of that graveyard that was nothing but infants. I didn't realize this until we was getting ready to leave and I was already done videoing, and yeah. But anyway, I gotta tell you a rookie mistake I made. I do these things on occasion, but to be fair, my mind was at other places. I am down here with Mr. Kitt, hoping he can get some walks in done because he's been sleeping a good portion of today, and he's got a lot of energy built up in him, a lot of it. If you want to, go ahead and pee on the tree, it's all right. Okay, this all starts off from last night. My daughter gets in from work and was telling me and my wife that her tooth was hurting really bad. So basically, she was concerned and it was hurting real bad. So I stayed up pretty late with Elizabeth, helping her out the best way I could, okay? Finally got her to sleep, I went to bed, and today is the start of work week after vacation, guys, okay? That's why I said these videos are not in order, because Monday's video, I was still on my last day of vacation. So we did the work thing, started work week. And I was like, okay, usually it's my day to do the editing. You know, that's when I edit up everything I got over the weekend. And in this case, I edited up things I got over vacation. I swear I don't know where my mind's at. I just walked right through that spot that I've been avoiding. That's where the mulberries are that Kitt eats them. It makes them sick. There ain't no mulberries on the ground at this moment. But it's getting close to fall time, and eventually they will be. All right, Kitt, let's go this way, bubby. Yeah, when he has to go poo, he pulls like a son of a gun. Stormy kind of used to do that too. Yeah. All right, let's get back to the story. Okay, I'm doing the editing. Everything seems to be fine, and my daughter wakes up and comes into the bedroom. That's where my office is, and says, "Dad, my tooth's really hurting bad," and her jaw was just swelled out to here. I was like, oh, good Lord. I said, we gotta make a dentist appointment immediately. I'm afraid you have an abscessed tooth. So we made a dentist appointment, and she wasn't able to be seen till 2 o'clock. Right now, it's roughly about 12:30 in the afternoon. And I was gonna make her drive down to the dentist. I was gonna take her myself, because she was in a whole bunch of pain, guys. So I'm continuing on editing the videos, and I'm telling her to have an ice pack on the side of her jaw, which she said was helping. So I got done. What I do is, when I do the videos, Kitt, quit pulling me. When I do my videos, since guys, I used to have an external hard drive, but my son Justin's using it, so all the clips I do, I kind of throw them away. I do. Yes, I do. But that's usually after I get done with all the editing, and I have what's going up to YouTube, and I have what's set out for the thumbnail. The rest of it gets disposed of without me thinking. I was like, oh crap. What happened to the video I just got done editing of the graveyard? The video that, at this time, it is almost 1:30. It's almost time for Elizabeth and I to leave. After all that time of editing, I was like, I think I just deleted the video. So at this time, there wasn't much I could do. I had to shut the computer down. It was time to take Elizabeth to the dentist. I might get a little dark, guys, because it is evening time. So I was going to talk to her about it, but she was nervous about going to the dentist. I get that, so am I. So I was trying to comfort her on the way, and it was getting my mind off the big mistake I just did. So get her to the dentist. She goes in, blah, blah. They do what they're gonna do, give her antibiotics. She has to go back Thursday to get the tooth extracted. So that's all fine and good. She's feeling better now once she took an antibiotic. So I get home. It's roughly now about 5 o'clock. Now this whole time I'm thinking, okay, let's say all the work I did is flush down the toilet. Okay. Maybe I could redo it in the next couple weeks. And this time actually do it better, because I wasn't happy with some of the parts in the video. First of all, I did not use my gimbal stabilizer. Second of all, I want to do some extra shots that would have been really neat to put in the video. And so I wasn't happy about that part. But I didn't want to drive all the way out to North Vernon, Indiana, and go and do this video over with, because that's some miles away, folks. Just seen a bunch of geese flying that way. One would think, oh, they're going south, but not here. Not the geese here in the southeastern Indiana. No. We have geese that even stick around during the winter months. Okay. So I'm getting back on the computer. I was like, okay, I'm going to open up my recycling bin. And I'm notorious, guys, for cleaning out my recycling bin. I am so... I don't like anything being in there. So usually when I put things in a recycling bin, I'm going in there and cleaning it out to permanent garbage. And I was like, I know I already cleaned it out. I know. Open it up, and son of a bitch, there it all was. All my work, every bit of it. I was like, okay, it's all there. All the clips are there. I just had to re-edit the video. Well, this was about, it is right now 7:47. So right now it's about 5:30. So this was about 2 hours ago. I was like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to have time to do the editing today on this. I just double work it tomorrow when I make the thumbnails. Well, I'm going around and looking, and I was like, wait a minute here. At the top of one of my monitors was one of my video clips, and it had the name of the video, you know, Barwin Cemetery Haunted or something like that. I was like, son of a gun. It was never put in a recycle bin in the first place. No! It was just misplaced. So I didn't have to do the editing. And I also found the clips I used for the thumbnail too. That's right. Yeah, I would say rookie mistake, guys, but I blame it on exhaustion. I was more concerned about my daughter, because I've had multiple abscess teeth in my life. Obviously, I don't have the best teeth. There's reasons behind that. If you ever want to know, I'd be happy to make a video why. And come on, Bubby. Oh God, would I ever be happy to make a video why on that? But my daughter has never had an abscess tooth. I know how bad they hurt. So my mind was on her 100%, and I can see myself making goof up choices. Yeah, see, after he has his bowel movement, his poopy, yeah, he does okay. Forward. I mean, you might want to stop every now and get a sniff, and I usually let him do it. But when he's got to go poo, he's pull. I hope this short walk does some good today, because I did not have time today to take him to the dog park now. No time whatsoever. So, yeah, the video of that graveyard almost did not happen. Now, I'm looking for other places to go and videotape. They more than likely be in the daytime. Even if I got a place I could do at night, I don't think it's going to work out that well, because none of my cameras have night vision. None of them do. And my GoPros do not do well whatsoever at dark time. But I'd love to go to these places of the daytime, you know, that are outdoors possibly. I'd love to get inside of a house and just tell the claims what's going on there, and just kind of make my own decision. As far as the Baldwin Cemetery, is it haunted? I don't know. Don't really care personally. I just enjoyed the fact it was a beautiful cemetery. So there you guys go. A mistake that I thought I would have to do a whole video over, drive a good distance to get this video All turned out because it was misplaced on my computer. This is what you call a weekend tidbit. And usually the weekend tidbits don't have anything to do with my normal videos. It's usually stories or my goof ups in this case, you know. So guys, that's pretty much it. I gotta be somewhere in 7 minutes. My wife gets off work, that's why. I'm gonna pick her up. I'm the one picking her up today because we're gonna take a ride through the country and count the deer. Yeah, we do that. Yeah. You guys do that? We do. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Come on, let's get out of here. And as far as the haunted videos go, there will be more if I find other places. You can bet your butt on that one. I enjoyed that. I didn't mention that part. I truly enjoyed this. The whole way out there, go on, Bubby. Even though it was a long drive, the whole way out there, I was excited that I was doing this type of video. And it was fun. It was. I could have done it justice, obviously. Whoops. My door hit my camera. Next video, I will probably do that justice. Oh, let me make sure I have my gimbal. Alright, guys. Till next time, thanks for watching.